Okay, so now we are going to talk about solenoid. Okay, magnetic field due to a solenoid. Now the question comes, what is this solenoid means? Solenoid, basically we talk about that solenoid is a insulated wire wound over which we are going to wound a wire and it forms a helix, that is solenoid. I hope this is not clear what I have spoke just now. What is solenoid? You can understand that we have taken an hollow conductor. We have considered an hollow conductor which is not having anything. It is having nothing but a air in it. Okay. And when I took a wire and start wounding over it in the form of helix, this helical form of this is called what? Is called a solenoid. Now the question comes that what is the use of this solenoid, why we are using this solenoid, what is the effect and why, for what purpose we are studying the solenoid and why it is important. See, solenoid is useful for increasing the magnetic field. Why we are using a solenoid? To increase the magnetic field. Okay. For increasing the magnetic field, we are using what? We are using a solenoid. To increase the magnetic field, we are using a solenoid. Okay. Now the question comes is why we have to increase the magnetic field. We have seen in the previous cases through an Ampere-Circuital law, Biot-Savart law, the magnetic field due to a particular point. We have always seen that magnetic field, whenever we are going to get a magnetic field, we are getting the expression like this. What it is? Mu naught I upon 2 pi r. Just now the case which I have calculated. Here the magnetic field is directly proportional to the current enclosed to it. If we have a one conductor and in that one conductor the current will be small. The current will be small, so the magnetic field will be small. Now you will say that ma'am, we can increase the current. Okay, we can increase the current. If suppose I am going to send here a 15 ampere current, okay, that 15 ampere current is also very dangerous to handle. Okay, if you are not going to handle it properly, what will happen? That this will mislead to the feasible response, we can say, or we are going to get the response, or we are going to get that is not good for. So what we are going to do is the same amount of current. Suppose in this I am assuming suppose 2 ampere of current is flowing in this circular wire. So if the 2 ampere current in this circular wire, at the same time it is going to be multiplied, what is going to happen? The magnetic field is going to be increased. The magnetic field is going to be increased. It is going to be increased again and again. So the magnetic field is getting increased because of the solenoid. So why we are using a solenoid? To increase the magnetic field. Now the question comes, this solenoid is basically derived from the Greek word. This solenoid is derived from Greek word. This solenoid means, in Greek, this solenoid means it is derived from Greek and which means channel. Which means channel. It is providing a path for the current to increase its magnetic field because the moving charges are producing a magnetic field. Why we are not using a direct current? I already told you that it is not good to use such current in a use day-to-day life. We can use this amount of current in industries and in factories, that is a different matter. But if we have to handle it without a proper guidance, this current is very large to handle. Okay, that's why we have created a solenoid, which means a channel. Now we are going to talk about that's how many types of solenoids are. Solenoids basically are of two types, that will be linear, okay, and the second one is rotatory. Linear and rotatory solenoid. What is this linear solenoid? Linear solenoid is the solenoid in which the length is always greater its diameter. The length of the solenoid is always greater than its diameter. So this is the example of your linear solenoid, and the rotatory solenoid we are going to talk about next video, that is a toroid. Okay. here I hope this solenoid is clear to you, and why we are using the solenoid is clear. What are the practical applications of solenoid? Solenoids have some practical application. It is used in transformers. It is used in transformers. Okay. It is used in lifting the heavy machines. It is used in lifting the heavy machines. Okay. These are the some practical examples of your solenoid. Even the solenoid is used for in the inductance coils also. Okay. So basically this solenoid can also be turned as an electromagnet. So these are the some applications of your solenoid. So I hope the introduction of the solenoid is clear to you, and why we have jumped to this topic of solenoid is clear. Now we are going to talk in the next video that the magnetic field due to a solenoid. Thank you. Now if we will talk about in the solenoid, we were seeing that all the description we have seen. Now how the solenoid made up of? You can see here a pen which I have made. Okay. Now I have made this pen hollow by removing its refill. When I have removed its refill, you can see I have created the number of turns. This particular arrangement is what we called a solenoid. So what is solenoid? Solenoid is defined as an insulated material over which we have wound the wires to increase the number of turns that results to increase in its magnetic field, and these 2 points I am going to connect to a battery that can produce a magnetic field. Okay. Now if I am going to insert a soft iron core, this will turns to what? It will turns to electromagnet. So this is all about your solenoid and its application. Now we are going to see that how the magnetic field due to a solenoid can be calculated. Thank you.